taking a glass slab, a glass slab is taken, और इसमें क्या करते हैं कि जो नीचे वाला सरफेस है इसको शाइनी बना देते हैं. You may make this surface shiny, means acting like a mirror. This is a shiny surface now. The thickness of this glass slab, let it be T. The thickness of this glass slab. This is the plane mirror. Plane mirror. Let this be the object. This is the object O. Object from where the source of light. This is a source of light, not object. A source of light. A source of light is coming in this way. A ray of light is traveling from this to glass slab. Rarer to denser, a ray of light is coming. So at this point, at this surface, partial reflection and partial refraction is taking place. So reflection, partial reflection, this is the first reflection, so it will be very strong reflection here. Okay, now coming, see, the refraction part, the light that is refracted again striking the surface, and again it is reflected back. So it is reflecting back because it is a shiny surface. So total complete reflection is here. Again it is traveling from denser to rarer medium, so away from the normal. Okay, now some light is refracted, some light is reflected, again it is reflecting back some light. At this point it is a plane surface, so it will reflect back all the light. At this point again denser medium to rarer medium, so it will travel away from the normal. When this ray of light, when the ray of light is extended backward, because when we extend forward they will never meet. So for obtaining the object, what happens, we extend backward. We extend backward and we find that on keeping a object here, on keeping a surface here, we get the images here, that is image 1, image 2, image 3. We get all the images on a surface here when the ray of light is reflected back. So here see, this is the reflection, this is the refraction, again this is refraction, and this will continue. This is reflection, this is reflection, and this is reflection. If the glass slab is little more longer, then all will be reflection. This is the first reflection through the glass. This is the first reflection, so it will be very strong reflection. So this, taking with a glass slab, with a plane mirror here, multiple image formation can take place. So let us see. Image 2 is the brightest image. Image 2 is the brightest image because see, the light is maximum of the light is reflected back here, reflected. So image 1 will not be so much bright. Image 2 will be very much bright because it suffers the strong first reflection. It suffers the first strong reflection at the silvered surface. After that, partial reflection and partial refraction takes place, and again when we get more images, the intensity of the images decreases. क्या होता है कि यहाँ पर सबसे पहला रिफ्लेक्शन हो रहा है थ्रू द ग्लास स्लैब, और ये बहुत स्ट्रांग होगा क्योंकि ये सबसे पहला है. इसके बाद जो भी रहा होगा इंटेंसिटी तो घट गया होगा ना, क्योंकि कुछ ना कुछ रिफ्रैक्शन और रिफ्लेक्शन होते रह रहा है. तो इमेज टू जो फॉर्म होगा वो सबसे ब्राइटेस्ट इमेज होगा. ये वन वर्ड में भी पूछा जाता है. सो द सेकेंड इमेज विल बी द ब्राइटेस्ट इमेज.